Place them in your garden, and your plants will start growing in no time. Ordinary aluminum foil can be very useful in the garden. It helps vegetables, flowers, and fruits grow better. Cut the aluminum foil into strips, then cut those strips in half. Ideally, they should be roughly square-shaped, but they don't need to be too big. Prepare some wooden skewers. Attach each piece of foil to 2 skewers by wrapping the foil ends around them. This will create a small flag. Take empty toilet paper rolls and cut them lengthwise. You'll get a flat piece of cardboard. Wrap it in aluminum foil on both sides. Then punch small holes in the foil-covered cardboard and thread a string through them. In the garden, place the foil flags near your vegetables. They work great around lettuce, cabbage, or kohlrabi. Position them with the shinier side facing south. Stick them into the soil wherever you see bird-damaged leaves. Hang the foil-covered cardboard pieces on fruit trees to keep starlings and other birds away. The sunlight reflecting off the foil discourages birds from feeding on your vegetables and fruits.